But I want to ask you something different, because your first week was quite interesting. You were, out there, for want of a better phrase. But it felt like after that, a lot of dynamics changed for you. Who switched up on you? Who do you think? Or did you switch up on people, or who are they?
I think I take time to study my environment. So some things bring me out of my shell and some things take me back in. So I don't know. I can't say. I just felt some weird energy from... Some is good and some is bad. Not really bad, but it's just like...
This is not a diary session. Just give me. Come on.
What do you want me to say?
Okay. Oyin, how are you doing? Very well. So, you and Flora, you've had a series of very interesting nicknames for the housemates. I've heard Gigolo. I've heard Puff Puff. I think Nomi is an improbable faction or something like that. Is it Kamsi? That is Bolly. So, okay, give me the Kamsi one. Why is Kamsi Bolly?
Let me talk now. So Ebuka is a group thing. The people actually gave name at their body. Bole own was not actually my idea. The gigolo was mine. The improper fashion was mine. But the bole was not mine. The bole
I say, what does bole mean? Because bole is like roasted plantain. Sometimes it's burnt.
Yeah, because it's soft. It's like
okay,
something
soft.
Yes.
Ah.